What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Halloween night, and I'm on the way to meet up with a few friends. We're gonna go, oh, there, he's calling me right now, so I'll be right back. Yo, me too. Alright, peace. We're gonna go to a place called Candy Cane Lane. Ooh, spooky lady right there. Oh my god. And if you guys don't know already, we have Volted gloves, and we also have a Volted keychain. Just kind of cool, a cool little way to show support to the channel or whatnot. Where you going? But yeah, so we have those available. Definitely, I'll have links in the description if you guys want to show some love, show some support, and actually get something in return. Big shout out to everybody who already ordered it. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate your support. I hope you enjoy those gloves. I see bikes. Yo! What's good?
How are you?
Good. What's up? You ready? Okay. There's so many people here, more than last year. All right, here we go. Let's start with this street, yeah. This is probably the most popular street in the valley for trick-or-treating. You come and you buy a house on this street, you better be prepared every Halloween. My only thing about this is like amazing and everything, but look how many rappers are on the floor. That's what sucks. Like the people that come here, you walk through their neighborhood, they give you nice candy. Why throw it on the floor, you know? Look at this guy throwing a party right here. It's like a nightclub. Yeah, he's just got a DJ and everything. That's kind of cool. This guy does this every year. Where's Waldo? Hey, I found you. It's no easy. That was easy. Whoa, fat people running. Fat people running. Careful. All the houses are dead over here, man. It used to be so popping over here. Oh my god, look at this house. There you go.
Oh, that's Keomoto. What the fuck? Is anyone here have a Talaria? That shit's nice, bro.
No, no Talaria.
You don't fuck with Talarias?
We have Talarias too. Which Talaria do you have? The MX4 or 3?
MX4, not a bitch. I have...
Why are you not riding it?
Why aren't you riding it?
Circle. Victory. You guys know the jumps there? I built them.
You're the second kid I met that told me that he built those. Ghetto bird hovering.
Dude, he's in our fucking group chat.
E-group, bitch.
Yeah, he's in our group chat.
Okay, is this going on your YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe not all of it. Come this way. Go this way.
Hey, watch out.
Go, go. Look at that kid getting it. Oh, that's cool.
Sick, huh?
Yeah, right? Look at that. What's going on here? It's a fat ass line for some candy. Let's get some candy. I'm a kid too. Can I have one for later? Thank you very much. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Sweet. We got some candy for later when we get back home. Oh, look at that Grom. A little Grom over here. Man, there's a lot of people here. That's fucking hilarious, dude. Those things are so funny. I'm gonna get some candy. Hello? Can I do a drive-through? Drive-through candy? What's up? Happy Halloween. Trick or treat.
You have a bag?
No, I'm just gonna go right here. Thank you.
Alright. What's going on?
What kind of bike is that?
It's called a Surron.
Really nice.
Thank you. It's electric. Yeah. No.
Electric.
73.
Nice. You have one? Yeah. Amazing. So it's like the Super 73 is nice to ride around, commute. This one is for like off-roading. Yeah. But you can switch out the tires. You can put like regular street tires and ride it on the street.
Oh, those are cool.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
No, I'm good on the candy though. No? No, I'm good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. What's up? Yeah, you want to ride? Yeah, right. Go.
Just have fun.
How?
Just get on the bed.
Just get on and put your feet right here. There's a car. Let the car go through.
Fall down.
Ooh, it smells like In-N-Out. It smells like In-N-Out crazy right now. Damn, I'm getting hungry with that In-N-Out. Look at that sumo guy. This is the party house right here. Party's popping. Shots, shots, shots. You got a DJ and everything. That is crazy. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. It's called a Surron. S-U-R-R-O-N. Surron. Yeah. They're dope. They're not that expensive. They're like $5 grand. Yeah, thank you, bro. Take care, brother. I think we've reached a conclusion that we're gonna do some In-N-Out. Cause damn, that In-N-Out smell earlier. Sheesh. Triggered the stomach, you know what I mean? Let's cut underneath the freeway.
We smelled In-N-Out earlier.
Yeah. Nice little cut right here. Right to In-N-Out. I love it.
Guest number 46, please. Guest number 46.
That was delicious. Meh. So we're at 7.8. Let's go to 9. Yeah, never tested my bike like that. So that should be fun. Alright. Sheesh, it's cold outside. Ah, this thing is fun right now. At 10 kilowatts. It's a monster. I definitely have to make a video just on the different tunes. Thought I'd have a chance to do it tonight, but I guess not. Overall, cool night. We'll see what this footage looks like anyways, because it was kind of dark, you know, but it is what it is. But that is pretty much it for me, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching very, very much. Thank you, every single one of you. I appreciate a lot. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.